So good day, sir. Today I will be explaining the activity 2, which is the data cleaning and processing in Excel. So the goal here is to learn how to handle the dirty data, the most time-consuming part of an analyst's job. First is I copy the dirty data and paste it into Excel website. So now let's proceed to the exercise 1, which is the standardizing text. Then create a clean name column. So in order to fix the name, you have to or you have to copy the formula, which is the equal proper trim open and close parentheses A2. Then after is click enter. Then after the exercise 1, let's proceed to the exercise 2, which is the handling missing data. And create an email check column to flag missing contact info. After that, copy the formula, then paste to email check to get the output. As you can see, na missing email si James Smith kaya wala siya email. Now let's proceed with the single exercise 3, which is the standardizing categories, nested F or Fs. Then create a clean status column to unify done, and completed into a single complete tag. Then after that, I just copy the formula and paste to the clean status column. So as you can see, sa taas, makita na din ninyo ang formula. Then drag pababa dayon para automatic mo lugwa ang result. So for exercise 4, which is the text to columns or data processing. Right click na ko ang email, then click insert. Then after that, one column left. Highlight your full name column, then go to data and text to column. And split the names into first name and last name column. Now let's proceed with the exercise 5, removing duplicates. Our goal is to ensure your data sets doesn't count the same transaction or customer twice. Copy a few rows of your mock data and paste them at the bottom so you have intentional duplicates. Highlight the entire table, go to data, remove the duplicates, and ensure all column boxes are checked. Click OK to see how many duplicate rows were removed. Then lastly is the exercise 6, data joins with VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP. The goal here is to learn how to connect data from two different tables, a critical skills and analytics. Then first thing is to create a second sheet called pricing. Add two columns, the product name and the standard cost. Back on your main sheet, create a cost column. Use VLOOKUP to automatically pull the cost from the pricing sheet based on the product name. I copy the formula, then add it sa main sheet. Then paste it to cost column para makuha na to ang result sa sheet 2. So, mao to ang cost is naka-NA siya kay naa siya sa C2. So, we need to replace C2 para makuha na to ang result sa product name and the cost.